Hi friends, Sarah here with Sara Olmsted Bags, helping you find fun and functional solutions for your lifestyle. So today I am going to do a product demo on the Felt Storage Tote. So this is a good size tote that is really diverse on how you can sit and use it. So it has, as you can see, rope material that is down on the bottom and the sides that goes up, and then you have the felt on the rest of the body, and then rope again up here, and then you have, it's the brown distressed pebble faux leather that they use on this. I sat, and if I have any Ray Dunn fans out there, we have the same font, so I use that font, of course, to put relax, because in this case I use this, it sits on the floor, and here I'm letting it go so that you can see how it stands tall on its own, but it sits on the floor right outside my standalone bathtub in my bathroom. So that's how I use it. But this item would be great for any open shelving, so that you can sit and hide items like kids' toys if you wanted to, magazines and books. This would be great to sit on the floor or even on the open shelving for blankets. It also would be great at the bottom of your closet to sit and hold hats, gloves, scarves, whatever you have that seems to always fall on the floor and you can't get it, or even because of its width or depth, however you would like to say, it could sit up on that top shelf in your closet too. So if you want to know more about this product, make sure you check out the information below. The link is to my website and to me. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. But if you like these demos, make sure you subscribe. But otherwise, thank you for watching.